Yeah, of course, but I think it was so small things that was different yesterday. It was +2 and it was -1. It was so small things that made us in the final, and I don't know. I don't think. I think we was tired. We have used a lot of energy this tournament, and I think I was just small things that was different yesterday. I don't know exactly what the difference was, but they score one goal more than us, and they win. I think we have a lot of young players that play good together. We have a lot of fun out of the court too. We have fun and we do things together, and I think then we have a good time out of the court and we play good on the court. So I think that's a combination, and we have a good team spirit. I think they want to have a rematch after we beat them in Katowice, but it's I think now it's two tired teams, and I think the team that have power to run most tomorrow is going to win. I think because it's going to be a hard game.